In problems 11 to 14, you are asked to write an equation that's in the form of y equals mx plus b. Well, in order to write an equation, I need what my m is and I need what my b is. So remember, m is my slope, b is my y-intercept. We calculated slope in section 3.2. So in order to calculate slope, you do arrows from one point to the next. If you go up, it's a positive. If you go right, it's a positive. I went up one block and right one block, which will then result to my slope being rise over run. My y-intercept is where my line crosses my y-axis. My line crosses my y-axis at this point right here, and that value is 1 as well. Now I'm going to plug my m in for m and my value for b in for b. My equation will look like y equals 1 over 1x. The 1 is positive, so it will be a plus 1. If you look at number 13, I'm going to highlight my y-axis. That just helps me identify my y-intercept. Once again, I need to find my slope and my y-intercept. Just as a refresher, slope is rise over run. Rise takes you up and down. Run takes you left to right. Up is positive, down is negative. Left is negative, right is positive. So first thing I need to do is calculate my slope. So I'm going to start at this top point here, and I need to go down, so I'm drawing my arrow down. I went down 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks, so that makes it a -4. And then I have to travel right 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. When you go right, it's positive. So my slope is -4 over 4, which if you simplify that, that simplifies to -1. My b is my y-intercept, so where my line crossed my y-axis, which is 1, 2, 3, you went down 4, so that's a -4. And then we go ahead and plug it into our equation. Y equals mx plus b, but my b is a -4, so it's a -4.